Want to give your subjects that flawless, professional glow in your Nikon Z50 videos without a complicated setup? Today, we're diving into the simple yet effective ways to smooth skin tones and reduce blemishes right in your Nikon Z50 or with a quick touch-up afterwards. First, let's explore the in-camera magic. Press the I button to access the quick menu. Navigate to and select Picture Control. This is where you'll find the magic for in-camera adjustments. While the Z50 doesn't have a dedicated skin smoothing filter like some other cameras, we can cleverly use existing settings. Select Neutral. Now, tap on Picture Control Customization. Here's the key. We're going to slightly reduce both clarity and tone down the image. Clarity will soften fine details, and tone down will subtly reduce contrast, both contributing to a smoother appearance. Start by moving the clarity slider just 1 or 2 notches to the left. You don't want to overdo it, or your subject might look too artificial. Next, do the same with the tone down slider, also just 1 or 2 clicks left. This will soften harsh shadows and highlights on the skin. Once you've made these subtle adjustments, press OK to save your custom picture control. You can even name it something like Soft Skin for easy recall. This in-camera method will apply these settings to all your video recordings, giving a naturally softer look straight out of the camera. Alternatively, for more control, you can always use post-processing. Import your footage into your preferred editing software. Many editing programs have built-in skin smoothing or beautifying filters. Look for plugins or effects specifically designed for skin softening or retouching. Applying a subtle skin smoothing effect in post can give you precise control over the intensity. Again, the goal is subtlety. You want to enhance, not mask, your subject's natural features for a polished, professional finish. And there you have it, 2 simple ways to achieve smoother, more appealing skin tones in your Nikon Z50 video productions.